Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Question number 50 from NMMS chapter Vijayanagara Empire. The famous work of Swami Vidyaranya. Swami Vidyaranya was the saint who blessed Harihara and Bukkaraya to establish Vijayanagara Empire. You all know that, isn't it? The famous work of Swami Vidyaranya. Options are option A Usha Parinayam, option B Sangeeta Swaswaram, option C Sangeeta Sudhanidhi, and option D Basava Rajiyam. Okay. The correct answer is Sangeeta Swaswaram. It was written by Swami Vidyaranya. Okay. So Usha Parinayam is written by Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Okay, children. So the famous work of Swami Vidyaranya is Sangeeta Swaswaram. Sangeeta Sarvaswam. Okay. Sangeeta Sarvaswam. Thank you.